Hi, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here with Grok Trade. I'm the analyst and mentor as well as the host of the Grokstar Trading Room. Here today to talk about a trade we had this morning in the Grokstar Room, TSL, Trina Solar Limited. It opening is just on the far left-hand side here, and then it made a 9% run here. We did catch part of that in the room, and we tried to short a little bit in here as well. And then it was kind of stabilizing, but it was forming what we call a symmetrical triangle. If you want to know more about what a symmetrical triangle is, you can go to our site at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, go to Chart School, and look under symmetrical triangle. And it looks like this, where it is getting smaller and smaller. It's like a coiled spring getting ready to pop or to drop. You don't always know which way it's going to go. Been looking strong all morning, so let's take a look at what happened here next. Now here is the triangle, and it's starting to pop through it a little bit there. So I'm going to go ahead and set an order here at the right about there. So because if it breaks it, I want to be in, and it broke it right there. I'm now long at $10.30 on the break of that symmetrical triangle. I'm setting my stop at 10.20 or 1%. Let's see what happens next. Boy, taking a little heat there. Dropped all the way down, but again, my stop is still in place. Now it's starting to take off. Boom! Look at that. Let's pull her down and see what happens here. I'm going to now pull my stop up here to break even at 10.30. Actually, I'm going to do it at 10.31 so I can cover my commissions. And boom, there we go again. And now it's kind of doing a little high base here. It's kind of basing here. You would think that like a 10.50 might be resistance, but you know, who knows what. Doesn't matter. So I'm going to take out half here. Right now, I'm going to take out half at $10.47 for 1.6%. And I'm going to take my stop. I'm going to move it right up here now to 10.35. Let's see what happened next. Oh, there she goes. So now it's at that 10.50 mark. Again, that even dime sometimes can be resistance. It's kind of floating through it, and then whoosh, there it goes. It takes off now. Boom! I'm moving my stop up here to 10.40 now. And look at that, it's almost to the 10.60 mark. Oh, and it does touch this 10.60, and it's stalling here now, folks. My indicators are starting to show that it's starting to weaken, and the volume is starting to diminish. I decided I'm getting out. So I set an order right here, and I was sold at $10.57 for 2.6% on the second half. Total trade then was for 1.2%. in 11 minutes. So these are the kind of trades that we're doing in the Grokstar Room. You're welcome to join us for a free 30-day trial if you're a day trader, and just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and sign up in the chat room page right at the bottom. This is Mark the Meerkat, and just remember, as Tony Turner says, trade to trade well.